What's up, every I'm Nether Dragon, and it's finally time for the final 3 episodes of Tell Your Tale before we go into the official, I guess it's official, but in terms of like what's out there readily available, if it's the right word. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Basically, 2021 and 22. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. So now I guess my question is, I think that's right. Oh, no, 21, 22, 23. I missed my numbers were wrong here. So why go ahead and correct this real quickly. I'm going to ask you guys a question. For those that for watching the animatronics or whatever the word is and all like the other stuff, like is there any order in which to watch it, or what? I'm going to be doing my research of trying to find that stuff this coming week. Hopefully I can find it all, and just want to know if there's any kind of what's the first one what's the first one I should look for, since I'm probably watching them one at a time or two at a time, however, depending how long they are. So any hints of how to find them easily, I guess, is the question I'm trying to, I guess the question is I'm asking, so I can know what I'm searching for this coming week. But otherwise, let's get started with the first one, Attack of the Vending Machines. So go here. And yeah, let's get started in just a moment here. In 3, 2, 1, and
Whoa, where'd you get that, Izzy? It came out of the new vending machine. Wow.
yeah, I thought I.
Look, a giant pineapple.
There we go. Now it's named right.
Yummy. Ponycorn, please. Whoa.
That's an interesting vending machine. Interesting.
What's going on? I want to turn. What's wrong with this thing?
Whoa, this place is a mess.
It's a raccoon, isn't it?
What seems to be the problem?
I think the new vending machine is broken. Look, everything has bite marks.
Must be a loose wire or something. Good thing I'm pretty hoovsy with a wrench.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
Don't worry, there's always a trick to these things. You just gotta...
Get sucked in.
Ready!
Hitch, over here!
Oh, nailed it.
Hitch, are we inside the vending machine?
I always wondered how these things worked.
Look, Hitch, more bite marks, just like Seashell's apple. We better check it out.
It looks like all the snacks are being pulled down.
I think we need to get down there.
Down there? Into that scary candy vortex?
Yep.
Sure, piece of cake. Not literally, not literally.
Okay.
Sunny, look out!
I can see a path!
I'm right behind you!
Aim for the soda can! Up ahead!
Cheese puffs, 12 o'clock! Donut emergency! Donut emergency!
They're pretty good at controlling that.
Hold on!
That's teamwork! Kevin?
Who?
Maritime Bay's most wanted crook. I should have known.
Of course he'd be a raccoon. I mean, of course he'd be, I guess, a raccoon. I think that's what I said it was, but...
Come with me.
I don't think Kevin is interested.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Kevin sure learned how to work this place overnight.
Stay very still, Sonny. I got you. Time to take out the trash. Uh-oh.
Hitch! That's enough. I'm all three pony kinds, wrapped up into one. My cutie mark comes to life with hope bright as the sun. This snack attack is over.
Nice try, buddy. You can come down from that sugar high back at the station. Thanks for having my back in there, Sonny.
Anytime, Hitch. Always.
Hey!
Okay. That was a cute one. I like that one. You know, a little bit of Sunny and Hitch episode. Next one, No Place Like Home. Interesting. See what this one's all about. And so this player decided to, I'm sorry for my language, be a piece of shit and not play. And it will not play no matter what I do. So I found a way to get to play through, like, the video player has 480 quality, 720 and 1080, and normally I do 720, 740. I do the mid quality, but for some reason 1080 play. So now it's gonna be a bitch to try to put this into my edit. I fucking hate trying to navigate DaVinci to try to cut the end of the video out and put this in, but it's what I gotta do. Now let's hope it actually plays. Here we go. 18 seconds and it stopped, just like the last one that it did.
You are not going
But yeah, I would say this is an Allura episode, it looks like.
No, don't do it, Twitch. Not the cutest bunny face. That is not fair.
Wow.
Right.
Wow, Laura, even you can get told by that.
Tonight we won't have to deal with any of those obnoxious ponies.
Wow, even Laura has a heart, I guess. I don't know what the right word is.
Unbelievable.
I could have said no, though.
Another glorious day at the board trot.
I'd say. Say night-night to board trot, Sparky. You must be a very sweet little dragon, huh? Come on, let's get you to bed, buddy.
Misty, bringing home pony corn for movie night?
Got every pony's favorites right here, Sunny. Plus a mystery flavor if any pony's feeling brave.
I hope it's not spicy again.
Zip, the last one wasn't even that spicy.
I don't know how you do it, Pip. That pony corn made me feel like I could breathe fire.
Oh no, what a shame. All locked up for the evening. Looks like we'll just have to go home. You really are the most insufferable bunny. Oh, fine. But only if you stop doing whatever this is. Oh.
Well, now they're gonna know someone broke into it, but
Monster. You say I'm a bully. If that's how you paint me, well, you never knew me. Spend my life
oh, we get a Allura song. Okay.
remember what it feels like. Now I must begin all over again. Another place that never fit right. I would have done it all so differently. Say I'm a bully, you can make believe. Now every
Every pony thinks the worst of me. Oh well. They won't stop till they make a monster out of me. They got their minds made up, but they just can't see. 'Cause all I really wanna do is find my way back to you.
Good song though.
My way right back to you. Find my way right back to you. Silly little bunny.
So she does care for the bunny, which, yeah.
Never welcomed, always chased away. Always made to wander near the edge. In the distance, only you knew the real me.
Allura, come back here with that. I found it first. You're way too slow. You'll never catch me now.
Young Allura in
Whoa,
ice form.
Look at that. Come on, Altero. Let's check it out. Allura, no, wait. You don't know where.
This could have been an interesting.
Altero!
Maybe is this stuff part of the animatronic, you know, extra stuff? Because that could have been an interesting story to have more about her youth.
But they just can't see. 'Cause all I really wanna do is find my way back to you. Always find my way right back to you. Find my way right back to you. A friendship bracelet. This place really is making you soft twitch. Fine, if it means that much to you.
Right, that's the thing that does stuff as they do the activities. That grows pendants. Now we get to see an actual non-ice version of Allura for a brief second there. Hold on. Normally I'd pause it, but I want to go back and see that. Wow. Young Allura actually looks pretty. I don't know if they mentioned her friend, but her friend looks pretty interesting too. It'd be nice to see more about her friend too. That would have been nice to learn. But wow, continuity, or not continuity, but stuff I wish we could have had more of. Maybe Will in the animatronic or animatic. I can't even say the word. You know what I'm trying to say, I hope. But young Allura is interesting. That's for certain. And her friend. Of course, I think I like her friend's design a little better just because that yellow and red and orange hair. But don't get me wrong, Allura looks pretty awesome too. But wow. That's certainly something. Anyways, go back to the screen and get the last video pulled up. Wow. But yeah, that Allura song was pretty good too. Now finally, we got the water park. Yeah, I think that was my favorite one so far, just because they got a little bit of Allura song and not much happened in there other than Twitch having just ran around doing stuff. But the Allura song and how to see the backstory of Allura was probably what makes that episode of this 3 my favorite so far. But we'll see how this one does. And once again, apparently 1080 video won't play now. What the fucking hell? And then I had to go back to the mid-quality video that I've been watching on. I figured, okay, let's keep it on 1080. Maybe it won't have any issues. Nope. 18 seconds in, it buffers again. Of course, my luck, I'll play tomorrow and it'll work perfectly, like with that baby trout episode with the ponies. Like the next day it worked, but that night it was not working. That's why I had to do 2 episodes when I had to swap to 2. But now let's hope this damn episode plays. Please play episode. I'm gonna have to do so many edits to this goddamn splicing this video. I'm sorry for all the cuts and splices, but what the fuck? Here we go. Now let's see the first 18 seconds again. Seriously, was melting. Oh, that's the 3rd one this week. Like I said, if I watched this 18 seconds, I kind of memorized it somehow. Of course, I missed his line, so.
There, Izzy. That dreamy, greeny smoothie isn't gonna drink itself.
Let's do this!
What are you doing, Izzy?
Nice one. Look out!
Hi, ponies! Can you believe this heat? Oh, something looks different here. Now, how am I going? Oh, there we go. Still delicious.
Oh, looks like every pony is avoiding the heat today, Izzy.
Yeah.
It's just too hot to board trot. Do you see what I did there?
Yeah.
Board trot! Sunny, you're funny! Oh, hey, I did it too!
Maybe we need a giant sunshade over the board trot. Then ponies could still have fun here even when it's hot outside.
Or, what if we had a giant playground totally full of water?
What? Like
A water park?
Rainbow water slides and a lazy river. Oh, and those amazing things that shoot water like a cannon. Oh, and those buckets that they fill up really slow, and everyone's like, "When's it gonna fall? When's it gonna fall?" And then it
Yep, all the good stuff at a water park.
and then you're mad, but then you're like, "This is hilarious, actually."
Yeah, anything
Of course, you usually know when they're gonna fall because the bell rings.
Well, we could also have a humongous wave pool and twirly slides with floaty tubes.
What's going on with you, Izzy?
It'll be
You
the
look,
most fun
you're
ever.
getting colorful.
Yeah, and then maybe I could stop all this sweating.
And every pony could be together. Yeah!
And it just magically appears.
What
Of course it
was
does.
that? Is that what I think it is? Attention every ponies. Stop whatever you are doing right now and get to the board trot as fast as you can. Trust me. Every pony say water park! Water park!
Almost there. Little bit more. Gotcha.
Come on, Sparkaroonie. Let's do it.
This is a very interesting looking water park, though, that's for certain.
This is what I'm talking about.
Hello, my darlings. Say hi to your sisters, Cloud Puff.
Hey, ponies. Oh no. Look out for the waves!
Elfie, I told you no splashing. I just had my hair done.
Ooh, waves incoming, your majesty. Surf's up!
Now that's enough.
They're getting along well again, as always.
Oh, they're cute.
Hey, every pony.
Izzy, this water park was exactly what we needed.
Yeah, your creativity is so wild, Izzy. How do you do it?
I don't know, really. I can just see it all in my mind. Like, imagine if this
And it just
whole water
appears.
park just disappeared. And then we were out here in the middle of the ocean, and we had to swim all the way back to shore.
Okay, yeah, okay. That was, yeah.
Well, it was fun while it lasted.
I feel like that might have been my fault.
Yes. Yes, it was.
Yeah, I think it looks nice like that.
Queen's not happy. Okay, now to put this mess of 3 episodes together. That's gonna be fun. Having to go to the end of the first episode, cut out the part where the episode didn't play, splice in my second video, and then cut out the end of where it next video didn't play and put in this video. Oh, that's gonna be a fun. But yeah, again, let me know if you have like. I mean, I'm going to do some research. Look at my comments, see what I can find, and do some research to try to figure out what the next video to watch is, or videos if they're short. But if you have any ideas or any advice of maybe just have them on a website I can search instead of having to search myself, I don't know. If you need advice on how to find them, let me know and give me that help. Otherwise, I will see what I can do. And if I can't find it, by next week, then I'll just have to watch something else for this slot until I can find it. But hopefully I can find it. But anyways, this one was a good one. Though I don't know. I don't really like how the park just appeared and disappeared from Izzy, but second one is still my favorite, just because of the Laura song. But anyways, yeah. Thank you for watching. I apologize for the splicing of this video. The videos just, I don't know why they weren't playing right. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.